Robots moving automatically? Lights turning on by themselves? Sensors detecting motion? Machines reacting to the real world? But what actually controls all of this? The answer is often a tiny board called Arduino. But Arduino is not magic. It is a programmable electronic brain that can read information, make decisions, and control devices. And today, we're going to understand exactly how Arduino works. Arduino is a microcontroller development board. Now that sounds complicated, but in simple words, Arduino is a tiny programmable computer designed to control electronic devices. Unlike your laptop or smartphone, Arduino is not made for gaming, videos, or internet browsing. It is designed for interacting with the physical world. It can read sensors, control motors, blink LEDs, detect temperature, and automate systems. That's why Arduino became extremely popular among students, engineers, robotics enthusiasts, and makers around the world. The most important part of Arduino is the microcontroller chip. On Arduino UNO, this chip is usually the ATmega328P. This chip acts as the brain of the system. It reads instructions from your program, processes information, and controls outputs. Inside this tiny chip are millions of transistors switching on and off extremely fast. That is how the Arduino performs logical operations and makes decisions. Arduino works using inputs and outputs. Inputs are information coming into the Arduino. For example, a motion sensor detecting movement, a temperature sensor measuring heat, or a button being pressed. Outputs are actions controlled by the Arduino. For example, turning on an LED, rotating a motor, activating a buzzer, or controlling a relay. So Arduino basically follows this process. Read information, process it, then. Before Arduino, embedded electronics was difficult for beginners. Programming microcontrollers required expensive tools and complex hardware knowledge. Arduino changed that. It made electronics simpler, cheaper, and beginner-friendly. Today, millions of people use Arduino for robotics, automation, IoT projects, smart home systems, educational projects, and engineering prototypes. Arduino can be used to build countless projects: automatic lights, obstacle-avoiding robots, weather stations, smart security systems, Bluetooth-controlled devices, motion detection systems, and even simple AI-powered machines. The reason Arduino is powerful is not because the board itself is magical. It is powerful because it can connect sensors, logic, and outputs together. Many beginners think Arduino itself provides large power, but Arduino pins can only provide limited current. That is why transistors, relays, and motor drivers are often needed. Another mistake is copying code without understanding the logic. To truly learn Arduino, you should understand inputs, outputs, and decision-making. So now you finally understand what Arduino actually is. It is not just a circuit board. It is a programmable electronic brain that interacts with the real world. And because of its simplicity, Arduino helped millions of people enter the world of electronics, robotics, and automation. I've also built several Arduino projects before, and you can find those videos through the links in the description and the I button. Make sure to watch them and share your opinions in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which electronics topic you want explained next. Thanks for watching.